Meaning of encryption.
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 Encryption. Encryption is the process of transforming information into an unreadable form to prevent unauthorized access. It uses a cryptographic key to convert plaintext data into ciphertext. The encrypted data can only be decoded by someone who has the key to reverse the encryption process. Encryption is widely used to protect sensitive information, such as financial transactions, personal data, and confidential communications, from cyberattacks and data breaches. Effective encryption ensures that even if a hacker intercepts the data, they won't be able to read or use it without the decryption key.